Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up cash reserves planning with YNAB for investors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open YNAB and create a new budget or open an existing one. Navigate to the Accounts tab and add a new account specifically for cash reserves. Label the account clearly as cash reserves. Set an initial balance in this account based on your current savings for reserves. Once the account is created, go to the Budget tab. Create a new category labeled Cash Reserves for your budget. Allocate a specific amount to this category each month. Determine your savings goal for cash reserves, taking into account your investment strategy. Consider 6 months' worth of expenses as a common target for your reserves. Use the Goals feature in YNAB to set this target for your cash reserves category. Enter this goal into the system, specifying how much you want to save each month. Monitor your progress by checking the status of your cash reserves category regularly. Adjust your monthly contributions if needed based on your financial situation. Keep track of any withdrawals from the cash reserves account for investment opportunities. Ensure that you regularly review and update your cash reserves planning as your financial situation changes. Utilize YNAB's reporting tools to analyze your savings trends over time. Stay disciplined and committed to building your cash reserves for future investments. With each step taken, you'll enhance your financial security as an investor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.